To those traveling, our security agencies are under instructions to ensure our safety. All the roads that were blocked have now been cleared peacefully, ensure that their vehicles were not on the road, but in no way did they disrupt other people. To organize goons, gangs, and criminals who attacked businesses, particularly in Naivasha, in Yeri town, slightly in parts of Kithurai, a small part of Kirinyaga. There was an attempt in Rongai and in Kitengela, and a particular attempt in Kakamega. For those who lost their lives, investigations are ongoing. It will establish exactly civilians. So we leave that to the investigators to establish the exact situation, whether these are innocent civilians, innocent citizens, or were they criminals who died in the process of being apprehended or being dealt with. And on the question of oil prices, as you may be aware, there is an ongoing meeting now between the ministries of transport and energy and the way forward on the question of oil prices.